Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this section, we will focus on the internal cleaning and maintenance of your MSI Raider GE76. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and a microfiber cloth. These will be essential for the disassembly and cleaning process. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. To ensure your safety, press and hold the power button for a few seconds to discharge any residual power. Once done, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the bottom panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. After removing the screws, use a plastic pry tool to gently lift the bottom panel. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. Once you have removed the panel, you will have access to the internal components. Here, make sure to take a moment to observe the layout and ensure you are familiar with where everything is located. Now, let's proceed to clean the internal components. Using compressed air, blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heatsinks. This is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. If you notice significant dust buildup, you may want to use a soft brush or cloth to remove it gently. At this point, if you feel uncomfortable performing these steps or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great option if you want peace of mind while maintaining your device. Next, let's reapply thermal paste to the CPU and GPU. First, carefully remove the old thermal paste using a microfiber cloth soaked in isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste in the center of the chip, about the size of a pea. Reattach the heatsink carefully, ensuring it is properly aligned. Before we close up the laptop, let's conduct a quick visual inspection. Check for any loose cables or components that may need securing. If everything looks good, we can proceed to reattach the bottom panel. Align it correctly and gently press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier using your Phillips screwdriver. Ensure they are tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the casing. If you're feeling unsure at any step, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your laptop serviced without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. Just schedule a service, and we'll handle the rest. After securing the bottom panel, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Listen for any unusual sounds, and ensure that the fans are running smoothly. If everything appears to be functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully completed the internal maintenance of your MSI Raider GE76. Lastly, if you ever need repairs, remember we provide a quote before any repair work is done. This way, you know exactly what to expect, ensuring transparency and trust in our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.